Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft Clarity to your React app for UX Heatmaps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Microsoft Clarity to your React app for UX Heatmaps, first, navigate to the Microsoft Clarity website. Create a new account or sign in if you already have one. Once logged in, click on the New Project button. Fill in your project details, including the name and website URL. After creating the project, you will receive a tracking code, which is essential for integration. Copy this tracking code to your clipboard. Now, open your React app source code in your preferred code editor. Locate the public folder and find the index.html file. Open the index.html file and paste the tracking code just before the closing /head tag. Save the changes to the index.html file. Next, return to your terminal or command prompt. Make sure you're in your React apps root directory. Run the command to start your application, usually npm start or yarn start. Once your app is running, go back to the Microsoft Clarity dashboard. After a few minutes, you should start seeing data in your project. Now, test your React app by interacting with it. Monitor the Clarity dashboard to see real-time heat maps and user interactions. You have now successfully connected Microsoft Clarity to your React app for UX Heatmaps. Feel free to explore the different features Clarity offers to enhance your website's user experience. You're all set to gain valuable insights into how users interact with your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.